Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For the viewers, thank you for clicking this video. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be breaking down this trade that is going to grow my accounts from $30 all the way to $10,000 guys. So basically guys, I'm going to be doing a challenge and I'm trying to grow this account from $30 to however much amount I could grow to. So this was my first trade, a very simple 1 to 2 risk to reward. I was basically risking like $2-3 in this trade, right? So let's see how far I can go with this challenge, right? But essentially guys, how I was able to catch this trade was very simple. I'm gonna remove all my drawings and show you everything from A to Z. So essentially the first thing I do is I look for my area of interest from the daily time frame, right? So I only use 2 time frames, the daily and 1 hour time frame, right? So I go to the daily time frame, boom, this was my area of interest closest to price, right? Literally, as you can see, boom, I color code it to blue because that's the daily time frame, right? And then the next area of interest I see is now going to be this area of interest right here, boom. So this one right here, boom. So I have this marked up as my area of interest. And the reason I have this marked up is because, we actually had in the past this area of interest here, right? And as you can see, price was rejecting for days until it now, bought up, took out the highs and then sold back down. And as you can see, this sell was pretty massive. So that's why I have this marked up as my area of interest, right? So that's the first thing. And then once we've marked our area of interest in the daily time frame, we now go to the 1 hour time frame. Now guys, just to explain to you guys, the area of interest is very simple guys. It's simply just a place where you see break and retest zones, right? So you see how price is literally moving off these areas, right? Boom. So something like this. So whenever you see like price just breaking and retest of a specific zone, right? That's basically what an area of interest is. So you can see, boom, 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 right? So these points are what we're looking for, right? So that's basically how I'm going to break down the 1 hour time frame. So the same thing here, we're going to look for areas that price has broken and retested, right? So now before this move happened, we actually had this huge push down, and as you can see, price was reacting from this area here, boom. So if you notice, you can clearly see that price was reacting from here, like although there was a slip up, price still reacted in this sense here. So you can see, boom, right? And then we color code it to white like that. As you can see, price was literally reacting from this point, break and retest, break and retest, retest right here, a break and then a retest and then the fall. As you can see, same thing here, break and retest, break and retest, a break and retest, and obviously a break and retest here, right? And then guys, the next area of interest is now this area of interest here. So boom. And same thing, the reason for this area of interest is very simple. As you can see, price broke, right, and retested here, broke and retested here, broke and retested. So as you can see, boom. And we can actually do this where we extend to the left, right, to show you how important this area of interest is. So as you can see, if we do this to the left, you can clearly see that price is reacting up this area here, reacted up this area, and then this is basically where it stopped, reacting. So essentially this area of interest is very new. That's basically what it means, right? So let's see how long this area of interest will hold. But essentially this was my, what I was marking up right here, and then my last area of interest was basically this one, boom. Right, so this is basically what I was looking at, right? And then my trade just came from this specific entry right here. So in my ebook, I literally tell you guys my entry signal is from 2 different types. So either the false harami breakout or the shooting star pattern, right? So in this case here, price gave us this shooting star entry right here, and I literally took a trade, beautiful trade like that, boom. And then TP was somewhere around here like that, and my TP was right there, boom. As you can see, price hit it, and we're going to look to go down to the downside, maybe somewhere around here, but we'll see how price reacts. So now guys that I have taken this trade and I've won, the next step is to literally close my chart and wait till the New York session, right? So I'm going to learn how to, take trades and stop over trading. I'm not going to feel cocky that I won a lot of money here and try to take a trade again, right? I'm just simply going to take a trade. Once I win, I wait for the next session. That's simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to use my ebook guys to learn how to trade the ICC concepts, you can always click the link at the bottom of this video to get the ebook. As you can see, we have one person here reading this ebook, and he's currently on page 4, right, which is the correction phase. So in this case here, right, this was the correction phase, right? So if I actually go to break this down, so this was the previous low that price needed to break for the trends to change from buys to sells. And as you can see, price broke that previous low, right? It broke it. Once it broke it, price gave a correction entry right there. It retraced to this area of interest, and as you can see, price now gave this beautiful shooting star pattern, and I took the trade, and easy 1 to 2 risk to reward. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys gained a lot from this. I will see you guys in a different video. Peace.